how to make the original document of our scanned document or photo from Microsoft Word. First of all, open Microsoft Word program. So press Window plus R key and type WinWord, WINWORD, WinWord in run box and press enter key. Yes, Microsoft Word has been opened now, and click blank document and open that file. Go to insert menu and click pictures and go to this device and choose the location where you have kept your file. So I click this my file and click inserts. Click this file and then go to pictures and go to text wrap and click in front of text. By default it is in line with text formats, so I want to click this format in front of text. It helps to move this my easily, so I want to click here and then drag it full page. Yes, yes, done. After then, click this picture again and click go to picture format option, and then this picture style sections, you see the right bottom corner, you see here format pictures. Click this format pictures option and you will see here format pictures, many options here. Click this last bottom pictures. After then you will see here many options for editing. I go to preset. First of all, go to preset and choose your, now it's selected, so I want to make it, yes, again you can change it as you require. Yes, it's fine. And then control the brightness, sharpness, brightness, contrast from here. Now sharpness is 0. I want to increase the sharpness. I put fully, yes, it's 100 sharpness, it's fine. Yes, and brightness, you click and drag the brightness to, I want to increase 50, 50, 40, 50, yeah, 55, yes. Yes, it's fine. And then contrast, I want to decrease this contrast, 17, 20, 20, I want to keep 20, 21. Yes, it's fine. Control, after controlling the brightness, I want to close it and you will see a spot here. So for removing this spots, first of all I want to manage this corner, this spot. So click here and then go to crop and then click crop and click here and then control it. Yes, fine. Pull here. Yes, done. I look outside. Yes. After then I want to remove this spot, so go to insert menu or insert tab, go to insert tab and click shape down arrow and choose which is suitable for you. Now I want to take this rectangle shapes, then I click here. That is my black part. That is, I want to remove this black points, so I click here and then go to save format option and then go to save field and then click this. I want to put here white color and then, yeah, here is my shape. Yeah, for removing the outline of this shape, go to shape format and the shape format outline and remove no outline. Yes, that's fine. You see here there is a no black spot, black point, so I want to copy it. Right click and copy and then paste here. Right click, control V, you can do control V, resume that pull. Yeah, shape, I want to remove this spot toes, so I want to drag here. Yes, done. Again I want to copy it, copy, and then right click and paste. It's again the display here. I want to drag down area of this file. In this way we can remove unnecessary part of our scan file, and then you can save it in as your requirement. I want to save it in my PDF in PDF format, so I want to click file menu and go to save as. Choose the location where you would like to save it, browse. I just show you the desktop. Choose save as type. I want to save in PDF, so click PDF and then it's a test file, TEST test file, and then click save.